In this lesson, we are going to explore acids, bases, and their indicators. This means that when you look at a formula of an acid or a formula of a base, what makes you directly deduce that this is an acid or this is a base? Let's start with acids. In the chemistry lab, we have three common acids: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. You can see their formula in this table. The formula of hydrochloric acid is HCl, that of sulfuric acid is H2SO4, and that of nitric acid is HNO3. The big question here is what element is in all three of the acids above. This element is present in all of the acids and not only those three. Is it chlorine, nitrogen, hydrogen, oxygen, or sulfur? Take a look at the formula and choose the correct answer. Well, that is correct. Hydrogen is the element that's present in all acids. It's present in the form of H+ hydrogen ion. You see it in HCl, you see it in H2SO4, and you see it in HNO3. The presence of hydrogen ion in acid is what gives it the pH less than 7. Acids are hazardous, and you might see those two signs on bottles containing acids. The first one is corrosive, which means that those substances attack and destroy living tissues, including the eyes and the skin. An acid can be irritant, which means that they are not corrosive, but they can cause reddening or blistering of the skin. So beware when an acid is present. Let's move on to bases. Here are some alkalis that we use in the lab: sodium hydroxide, NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH, and ammonium hydroxide, or we call it ammonia solution, and that is NH4OH or NH3 solution, which means that it is ammonia in water. So look at the table above. Which ion is associated with all alkalis? So it's found in the formula of all alkalis. Is it the hydrogen ion, hydroxide ion, sodium ion, or oxide ion? Note that the hydrogen ion is H+, the hydroxide ion is OH-, sodium ion is Na+, and oxide ion is O2-. Look at the formulas for a minute and choose the correct answer. Hydroxide ion is the correct answer. It's found in all bases and all the formulas. You can see it in sodium hydroxide, in potassium hydroxide, in ammonium hydroxide, and many others. It's what causes the pH of the base to be more than 7. So these were some indicators for acids and bases.